This is why they have a warning spots in case of wind. Look where we are. A little way, nothing to hold on, and the water. You know.
Hi Faves, good morning, London, good afternoon and good night, morning fam bam.
Good morning, guys.
Oh, is that handsome boy?
She's not sleeping.
She's not sleeping yet? Sarah?
You have her eyes open.
Yes, we catch her before she starts sleeping. You guys, it's a brand new day in JA. No lie, we're not in JA. It's a brand new day in Nice. It's sunny, it's beautiful, the beach is looking inviting. But I guess y'all know where we...
Port over there.
You see the port?
Yes, I
Nah,
do.
you can't see the port from here. I guess you guys know where we're going because it's a Saturday. You guys know what we do on a Saturday. Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll for a new trail walk this morning. It is now some minutes to 10 and we are already out and on our way to this new trail.
Mama,
Let's Tyler, what you supposed to say when Mama talking, Tyler? Yes, Tyler?
tell Daddy, is the same road that we went to the other side?
No, we're going on a brand new trail in a brand new area. Okay, so we're gonna discover somewhere different. We discover somewhere different each day. Okay, anyway guys, so we are here and we are about to hit the promenade. If it's your first time to our channel, yes, we live in France, in the most beautiful city called Nice. Sunny and beautiful and beachy and feel like the Caribbean. Feel like you're on a vacation every day when you're in my city. However, I realize that when we are out and I vlog, a lot of time I don't really mention exactly where we are, and people always asking me in the comment section, where is this beautiful place? So we are going to a place called Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat. Right, babe? I get that right? You look proud. So that's where we're going to walk a trail. So we're taking you guys along. Let's see what we'll discover as we'll be discovering it together. It's the first time going to this spot. We don't like to go to the same spot twice. So on our adventure, we never go to the same spot twice. So we're hitting the highway right now to head there. So hopefully you guys will enjoy today's vlog with us. If it's your first time, please don't leave unless you subscribe and catch up and keep up with us, and make sure you click the notification bell. That way you don't miss out when we post. We post videos Mondays to Fridays. Okay, girl? Don't miss it out. Or okay, man? Okay. Lovely people. Anyway, you guys. See you guys when we get there. By a port, we parked, and this is the view from the start of the journey. I was telling babe just now that I just feel myself going up a hill. We just started and I'm tired already and we don't reach anywhere as yet, but I'm looking forward to the day. Right, Sarah? We're looking forward to the day. Yes, Dad?
We are going to go a picnic and do
And the trail has begun. It has begun. along the most beautiful view ever.
And it feels empty.
It does. Nobody. Just us, the sun, the beach, and God. We like it that way.
And there is a lot of...
Still treading along the beach. Still treading. How's the tread going on?
Between the green and the blue.
Between the green and the blue.
So we have the smell of the trees, and we have the smell of the sea.
Yeah, you're smelling the salt water.
Right?
Treading.
Just the beginning.
Just the beginning.
And Tyler is talking around.
Oh God, she's not stopping.
Oh, he's not.
You have too much energy. I can't even breathe, much less to talk.
Parce qu'on va trop vite.
Oh.
Et si le bateau se penche, je risque de tomber s'il n'y a pas de siège.
Non. Regarde celui-là de bateau. Là, il est parfait. Il est sur le bateau.
Yeah.
Eh oui. Look at here. You see the bridge?
Yeah. Look at these houses up here. And they're huge. Look at that one with all the glass. And they have a perfect view in front of them. Can you imagine how much these houses cost? Babe was telling me just now that in this area, have the most expensive house in the world. How much you say it cost, babe?
I don't know how much all cost, but I know that the sale one that have the world record for more than 300 million for one
Crazy.
house.
What's in that house is made of gold?
I don't know. I think also the history, you know, like
Have to be.
the king of
Uh-huh.
was the king of Belgium live in this area for like 100 years, and then all of this history make it become. And it's peaceful.
It's very peaceful, and with the water view is everything. It's a nice area to make an intro. No? Can probably come back and make our intro here.
Eh?
Can probably come back and make our intro here.
Yeah. When you want to make it when Sarah
Once Sarah, after she turn one and I walk properly,
Yeah.
make it before the summer finish.
D'accord? Alors ils vont là-dedans et ils vont plonger. D'accord? Ils vont plonger, ils vont regarder tous les petits animaux et les plantes qui vivent sous la mer. They're good.
Yes.
It's a little climbing path.
Yes.
Oh, that should be good jogging here.
Oh yeah. What a beauty.
Oh yeah. What the beauty too. Here is a boat with diving people. Yes, Tyler?
Est-ce qu'on est près de Russie?
Oh non! On est loin de la Russie.
Mais c'est très grand ici.
Oui, mais on est quand même loin. Hey guys, I think this is like a...
Find the interest spot.
Yeah, fine.
Yellow.
This is the interest spot. Let me see the. Jeez, that look good, but it's kind of dark.
It depends
Kinda
where the
dark.
sun... Also, you have your sunglasses, remember?
Oh, yes, you're right. Okay, it's perfect then. It's perfect. Right here. You don't think so, honey? Oh, it's beautiful. Find it, honey. I find it. I find it. I find it. It's so pretty here. This looks like a hotel up here. It's so pretty.
Give you some nice...
Wow! Wow! If you guys could just only see this view that we're walking on, I think this one has been my favorite so far. The first one was good. Sorry, Tyler. Make your shoes out.
Well,
Fix it, the back. I step on telephone by mistake. Princess, enjoying the view. Princess, enjoying the view.
Let's go.
You excited? Let's go. Papa have to fix your shoes first. He's having so much fun. It's gone.
well, somebody should have come here.
Oh, Jen? Oh, she missing out. Jen wanted to come with us, but she didn't get to make the trip. So our next day. Ty, be careful. Slow down. Look at that. Tyler, counting the steps. He's at step 16. And I'm tired.
You're dying? I realize every time there's steps you're dying.
Because I don't do hills, man. I do flat. Okay.
This is Nice. Promenade des Anglais.
Ooh.
Here you see L'Enval, you see
Yeah.
here in front. Here this is the castle. No, Tyler. Here this is the hill, the castle hill, and all of this in front. This is Promenade des
Promenade?
Anglais. Yeah, into the airport there.
Okay. Alright. Good boy.
Some shadow. Tyler, look here.
The lighthouse side. Come on, let's go. The right way.
Yes, there's nothing here, just a little way to stop.
Okay.
And that was the sign warning telling you is for the walkway. In case of big wind, do not go because of the wave can be dangerous. It's easier when you go down.
Yes, down is fine for me.
Stop.
I like the challenge of going up too. Don't get me wrong, I like the challenge of going up.
You're lucky it was short.
Stop.
Alright guys, some more steps. Let's see how she managed. Let's see how she managed. Her Tyler's still good. Her baby's about to die. The Tyler going too fast for you. You can't catch him. You can't catch him. Look. Look at me. Look at me.
Slow motion.
It was just little step. Enough for you.
This more. Okay.
Hey, this is why they have a warning spots in case of wind. Look where we are. A little way, nothing to hold on, and the water. You know dizzy? Good. Call Tyler hand. This is why you have the warning. A family, family. Look at that. The way looks good. Somebody jogging. This is the way, guys, that we just passed.
Wow.
Somebody are jogging close to the edge.
Living life on the edge, boy. There you go.
No, I don't want to go and that's to go.
Hey guys, this is where we come from. And this is where we're going. We have some cactus. A cactus. It's hot like. Oh, cactus along the way. This is a part where it's kind of stone, rocky, not easy. A butterfly. And we still have the family in front. Somebody are jogging well. Honey,
Yeah.
can I get some water from you?
I'm saving my breath for these stones, but I'm good. I'm going.
You have to watch your step
How
here.
are you, Sarah? Sarah chilling.
Look, you see the way?
Oh yeah.
Damn, look at the man in green. He just passed her there.
Yeah, I need water now.
More water.
Oh,
Me, I'm sweaty.
Come,
and
drink a
still
little
some
water.
beautiful house. Look at
Water
this.
break, water break, water
What a
break,
view
come.
that they have.
Sarah, water break.
What a life.
Flowers.
Water break.
How you say?
Look at that. Look at that. I don't go to the
And the way is all along like this. You can't get tired here. Not tired, not tired, not tired. This is so pretty.
This line.
Every time babes say wow, we're stopping, but then we look like we stop every 5 seconds.
This line, baby.
Huh?
It's that line.
Where?
To the tree.
Oh yeah.
Then go all the way over there. What is it called?
I don't know, guys, if you see the zip line.
Not a zip line at all. Party.
No, I don't know what is it.
It looks like a piece of cloth. A rope.
Look at that.
Murder.
Alright, let's continue. Find a better way to stop.
Boy. Alright, come on.
Allez, allez, allez. Tyler, never get tired. Until then you decide to be tired. You don't see the tiredness coming from Tyler. Future track star.
Oh.
Hey guys, we did a little break for lunch for everybody. Sarah eat except one person. Sarah eat, Tyler eat, I eat. We full of energy. We're back on track. It feels a little bit different having a break. We don't feel the tiredness like we were. Somebody had tried to work out. I see her underarm. Look at that. So the way continue, the beach is still there, the trees are still there, the house are still there. Tyler is still the champion. He full back the tank. Oh. It's gonna be a nice journey. Oh yeah. That's a workout. Look at the way. What a house, what a view, what everything's there. You're in vacation every day of your life. People are tanning here. Alright, I miss them, I lose them. They are somewhere. Have to pass the cactus first. And then I'm gonna have to walk fast to catch them because Tyler, fast Tyler, is not waiting on me. Why are you doing so slow? Why are you doing so slow? You need some energy, man. Why are you so slow? Huh? Why are you so slow? Hey guys.
We made it!
For people wondering, this is what we are doing. Sentier du Littoral.
Oh, where we are going?
This is where we started the P of parking. We did all along the yellow. We did the yellow line all along here, zip, and now we around here. So
Where are we?
we have to go back to this P, and then we're gonna try to see if we do this other side of the place. How you feel?
Good, ask Sarah if she feels to answer you.
Sarah, you're not sleeping?
Mama?
How you feel, Tyler?
Mama?
Yes,
How you feel, Tyler?
Papa say how you feel.
Good,
You ready?
Mama?
You ready? Mama!
So they're showing you.
Mama! Mama!
Yep.
Okay, so we're finishing up this trail, and that's the view of our finishing. We had to walk through this area. It's like a nice little area. You can go to the beach, and under here is a big restaurant where people under there eating. You guys can hear me out of breath. I'm tired, honey. The boys already reached on the road.
Mama? Now can you try and call Auntie Jane?
No.
I don't know how to.
I'm sorry. Guys, we're back home. Look at Sarah mouth. Can you tell what she's eating? If you guess this, you guess it right. She loves melon. She's been killing melon. Melon. Say melon. 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 Come, ah. Sarah. Sarah. Princess. Cuckoo. Sarah. Turn around. Ah. Come. She loves melon. You see her mouth on the melon? Look at her. She love it with her no teeth self. My almost 1 year old and don't have no teeth as yet. Look at her. Kill that melon, yes, Sarah. Kill that melon. She rubbing it on her gum. She's sucking it. Yes, Dad.
Because these kiwi, I want some.